Stop your vehicle. Prepare to have it inspected. Did you hear? Some Euro trash are coming to the country.
Let's go. Park.
The Euro trash in, like the good way.
Before we go in, remember? Stick to the facts. Know who you are and are not. Hanson awaits us.
Let us go see him.
Magnifique, because we have a meeting with Colonel Hansen. Now.
Moment, please.
Good, you made it. We haven't met yet. Name's Murphy.
The colonel is here already.
He is. Waiting for you.
Fantastic.
This way.
Murphy. It seems familiar. No, I believe we have met.
I'm certain we have.
Oui, you love to frequent the bordellos of Paris, no? I'm only fucking with you, Murphy. It's a pleasure.
Here we are. Our stop.
You should expect to have eyes on you all day today. Kurt got a tip. The FIA plans to pull some gonk move.
Huh. Is that so?
The situation's under control, though. He ordered everyone checked out. No exceptions. Got our people manning the whole stadium. Drone-aided scans providing surveillance support, too. Need you to leave your weapons here.
Next, we'll need to run some ID scans. Joke around as we might, get along as we do. Ultimately, this is a place of serious business. You understand?
This here's the heart of our little empire.
Tell me, what do you do here? Your operation, precisely.
Arms traded mostly. Need to start a war? End one? Planning a coup, maybe. We don't ask these questions.
And this all is from Night City?
Some. But our reach stretches around the globe. Japan, Australia, the Balkans, Lagos, you name it.
Now.
All right, I'm in position. Aaron, you got ground now. Take your time. I need 10 more minutes at least.
Not much further now.
I couldn't get started earlier without risking being compromised. And Emmerich, it should go without saying, but stay in character. Good luck.
Let's keep moving.
Completed.
Huh. Noticed and noted.
Sometimes I find this creepy. But not you, I hope?
Hey, just met the guy.
My. A diplomat.
A pleasure to see you both. Songbird needs a moment to disarm the device. Which gives us a chance to chat.
Your man mentioned trouble. That NUS intelligence is interested in our meeting today.
Trouble is an exaggeration. Many people try to stick their noses into my business. I know this, and so I'm careful.
Were I you, I would say no different.
Think I'm lying?
It makes no difference.
The value of my word, my honor, don't matter to you?
You are a criminal, as we are. This is business, not dinner with my grandmother.
We'll get along just fine. Changing the subject, did you enjoy yourselves at the Black Sapphire? My people tell me the games went high stakes. You two left richer and happier, I hope.
By the end of the night, we lost our entire stack. But such is gambling.
Judging by your tone, that doesn't seem to bother you at all.
Because it does not. I enjoy money, of course. But I do not allow it to control my life.
You know what they say about great minds. I think it's no surprise we find ourselves doing business together. The Black Sapphire is my pride and joy. I worked hard to make it the go-to destination for Night City's royalty.
Your operation in the stadium is most impressive. Perhaps even more than the ball at the Sapphire.
One can't work without the other. To make billions from the arms trade, you have to first line the pockets of the powerful with millions. The stadium is an integral part of my work in Night City. Say, it's been a while since you were last in Night City, hasn't it? Not since Sinosure.
Quite right, but we almost flew here some time ago. Emmerich had other business in Night City. My brother is obsessed with cars. He collects them. I say to him how wonderfully pretentious he is.
Interesting. And what rare gem brought you halfway around the world?
I had my eyes on a Rayfield Erondite. A second hand, of course. The new ones are overpriced.
Interesting. Because the first I ever heard of you, why, it was about you being in the market for a used car, but certainly not a Rayfield.
I have a diverse collection. I work much and spend even more. You understand.
Of course, although my spending differs from yours.
True, war is an expensive hobby.
Please, I have vodka. Help yourselves. I'm sure you never put pleasure before business, but I insist. A symbolic drink.
I could not say it better myself. Symbolic, yes.
Not very American, I know, but it's a custom my friends in Siberia taught me to love.
Symbolic. None for me. All yours, Aurore.
I never say no to good vodka.
Are you sure?
Completely.
Ah, right. I'd almost forgotten. My friends in Los Santos send their regards. C-Block.
Your friends are mistaken, I think.
Are you sure? You spent 2 years in that prison, under a false name.
That's right, in the VIP wing. But the cockroaches in C block don't know who is there.
Then forgive me. I must be mistaken.
Colonel, may I see your knife?
By all means. It's a traditional Yakut hunting knife.
You see, I spent some time in the Philippines. I've had a keen eye for fine blades since. Fascinating. Such a rare thing.
By the way, Emmerich, I asked around a bit doing my due diligence. They tell me you worked at Petrochem 3 years ago. Corporations rarely let your caliber talent slip through their fingers. How did you wriggle out of the contract?
All change in the corporate world is affected with money. I could afford it.
A convenient answer. Generic, uninspired, and almost definitely untrue. Given when this was, I'm amazed you claim to have any memory of it at all.
It's true. My memories from that time were stolen. Those 2 years and what I did are lost to me. You know me better than I know myself, it seems.
Ah, so me.
We can begin. The mainframe is ready.
You remember the terms. One of you feeds in the access codes. The other stays with me.
Ooh, I volunteer to stay.
To work, then.
Follow me.
As agreed, you'll see the payments hit your account today.
While you are waiting, I ran some initial diagnostics. The mainframe is prepped and linked with our systems. She's ready to go. You know, he created this lab especially for the occasion. Tens of millions of eddies invested for your visit alone. That's Kurt for you.
But how many would die?
I managed to simulate the mainframe's native environment, the bunker. It'll be ready for the access codes in a moment. Here she is, in all her glory. So, shall we?
I am ready. Linked. Connection quality.
Thousandth of the decimal. It'll have to do.
Then in we go.
Actuating the mainframe.
Hansen suspects something, just hasn't caught on yet.
Soon it won't matter.
So I see. It's responding.
Stay sharp. Almost open for input.
Thank you. Really. Thank you for being here.
Just a little more. Okay, your turn. It's ready for the access codes. Link in now.
Relax, Somi. We're almost there. Home stretch.
The neural matrix.
Kurt, we have a problem. No, I can handle the one down here. Really expected this to work?
Sumi! Wait! You don't know what you're doing!
Oh, but I do know me. Doing what I have to survive. What?
It's working, V. Icebreak is getting through.
Why? Why are you doing this?
Trying to save Sumi. Who she is. Blackwall's eating...
Nothing. You understand nothing. Two-faced.
What the hell's going on?
You killed Alex.
No, V. You did. Her death, all this, is on you.
All units, all stations! Back to the compound!
Holy shit. Feels like I fell down in the elevator shaft.
Everyone to the lab! Shut down that door!
I shattered into a million pieces. Couldn't see me
Faster!
back together. She could make you go psycho.
You're a
Well,
fucking
it didn't
corpse!
hurt.
Call the Sapphire for support! Come on, get that fucking thing open!
Sumi.
Faster,
She
faster!
fought back.
Whole stadium
Reached
on
past the
lockdown
Blackwall.
now!
Fuck. What happened?
Lost control. Alex is gone.
Better move. You're out of time.
have tried to kill me. Really believe you had a chance?
Anyone come this close before?
Nah! Close is how the dead measure victory. You knew she was destined for a body bag as soon as you split up. Hell, maybe you knew all along.
Peeps ain't pawns to me. You'll pay for what you did.
You can't have... You want to be Myers' newest pet? Just what you did. You don't expect me to roll over, I hope. Though I must say, I'm disappointed. If Myers ever wants me to take her seriously, she'd do better to send in Black Ops. Big fucking mistake, prick! Okay. I need a sit rep. Alex is dead. Songbird is flown. It could still be her in there, or what? Some kind of rabbit AI?
Reed will find her. A cybercycle on that scale won't go unnoticed in the city.
You're right. Finding her is priority one. Where? Could be anywhere. Best check NCPD scanner for chatter. If Somi's been spotted, they'll know.
Omega-class target. I repeat, Omega-class target. MaxTac is inbound.
Внимание всем патрульным! На месте происшествия работает MaxTac. Не вмешиваться! Повторяю, не вмешиваться!
Look, AVs.
Maxi police. Dogtown.
Everybody's willing to make an exception for MaxTac when you got a cyber psycho on your doorstep.
They're looking for Somi.
We're following him.
MaxTac? Don't tell me you mean to fight him.
No, but we need to know what's going on.
Target is Omega class. I repeat, Omega class target at large. Max TAC is en route.
That's her. She's completely
Max
lost control.
TAC in position, eyes on target.
This ain't good.
Hold your fire. Target exhibiting strange behavior. She's on the ground. Appears to be unconscious. Target secured.
There's one thing left for us to do. Madam President, I have news.
Tell me.
We're burned, for now at least. And Songbird is in NC police custody.
I have no sway with the city government. This is your problem to fix, Reed.
Understood. I'll get her to landing.
And remember, I want her alive.
So, what do we do now?
We get to work. Get on the hollow. I'll do the same. We make calls to whoever comes to mind. Find us a netrunner you trust. One who's capable of getting inside NCPD systems.
Reed, we'll get her back.
I know.
Grab the cords to my drop spot and fire.
got a strict deadline. Seems he's on his way out of NC. Need you to Delta Skelter V. Not gonna lie, V. Think you got a gift. Thanks for the help, V. My chum will do the finishing touches.
Don't let trouble.
Вот и наша звезда вечера. Здорово, Вик.
Так и что теперь?
Ясное дело, что. Ха! Бой за чемпионский титул. Выйдешь против Хьюза Бритвы. Небось, знаешь так?
Нет, у него какой-то одеколон в спонсорах.
Очень, блядь, смешно. Он трехкратный чемпион в тяжелом весе. Я даже и не надеялся его здесь увидеть. Он же крутейший спортсмен. У него корпорат спонсор. Но его агент нам сказал, что это будет клевым пиар-ходом. Хьюз возвращается к истокам, потому что он все тот же простой парень с улицы.
У меня есть шансы?
Ха! Хороший вопрос. Ты крутой, Ник. Очень крутой. Но этот парень, он прямо киборг. Углеродное волокно, титановые кости, гидравлические суставы. Работа лучших биомехаников Найт-Сити. Не знаю. Может, Виктор чего подскажет?
Виктор здесь.
Еще спрашиваешь. Он такое не пропустит. Но если уж совсем честно, шансов у тебя маловато. С другой стороны, может, оно и к лучшему. Если Бритва все равно победит, почему бы не заработать на его победе?
Выкладывай.
Только не здесь. Нас могут подслушать. Давай отойдем. То, что я сейчас скажу, должно остаться строго между нами.
Давай без лишней драмы. В чем дело?
Короче, на чистоту. Я понимаю, что в спорте нужно играть честно, но жизнь штука сложная. Менеджер нашего чемпиона хочет, чтобы он был на высоте. Чтобы весь город гудел про этот бой. Это я к чему? Пропусти пару ударов, сработай не в полную силу, мирно перейди горизонт.
Сколько?
До хера. Больше, чем получишь за победу.
Ладно, идет.
Ха! Я сразу понял, что ты парень разумный. Все, короче, пошли уже назад, а то люди смотрят.
Извини, можно тебя на пару слов? Надолго не отвлеку.
Конечно, в чем дело?
Ни в чем, а в ком. В Бритве. Мой папа с ним как-то дрался. Давным-давно. Когда Бритва только начинал. Папа свалился в третьем раунде. Судья тормознул бой. Только Бритва не остановился. 3 минуты еще калашматил. Папа выжил. Но
Могу представить. А дальше что было?
ничего. Конец истории. Моей старой жизни. Да и мне самой тоже. Просто Бритва должен получить по заслугам. Пускай поймет, что чувствовал мой папа.
Поэтому я и здесь, малышка.
Спасибо. Буду держать за тебя кулаки.
А вы, Цезарь, а тебе разве не нужно сейчас
Так,
выбирать
ну
коляску?
что, вы готовы к бою?
Продолжаем завтра. Время еще есть.
Что?
Один раунд и хватит с тебя. Будешь мне ноги целовать и молить о пощаде.
Так, ну что, начинаем?
Я готов.
Отлично. Дамы и господа, жители Найт-Сити, начинаем наш долгожданный финал. Сегодня в бою сойдутся Хьюз Бритва и Ви! Не слышу вас! Ну? По своим углам!
Вик, что ты тут делаешь?
В смысле? Пришел посмотреть на главный бой года? Весь город гудит. Так что ты не подведи меня давай. Ви, здорово. Как настроение перед боем?
Отлично. Прям руки чешутся.
Ха, хороший хороший настрой — это уже половина победы. Только вот одним оптимизмом ты бритву не победишь. Уж поверь мне на слово.
Это как понять?
Парень — настоящий танк. Реал скин из нановолокна, ударопоглотители. Его можно по башке молотом бить, он глазом не моргнет.
Спасибо, успокоил.
Да погоди ты, блядь, я не закончил. У него есть слабое место. Ему неделю назад меняли мышцы пресса, и они еще не до конца прижились. Попадешь туда, ему будет больно. Очень больно.
Спасибо. Я это запомню.
Соперники готовы? Начинаем?
Можно начинать.
Да, начинай.
Пусть победит сильнейший!
Поддых ему вломи! Молодец! Дави, пока не сломается! Он уже еле держится! Еще пару ударов!
Все, бой окончен. Победу и приз достаются Ви. Ви — новый чемпион.
Думаешь, на этом все? Думаешь, я просто так тебя отпущу?
Думаю, да. Если у тебя мозги есть и жизнь дорогая.
Это только начало. Мы с тобой еще встретимся. Через день, через год. Этот бой не последний.
О, тогда до встречи. На тренировке не забивай.
Грязно играешь. Очень грязно.
Ага, ну да. Зашибись все прошло. Бритву просрал. Сколько там? Ну, 1200 точно. Ну что сказать, я хорошая актриса.
One more thing, hear that? Clock's a ticking. Time waits for no Jew. Watch out, got a tail. Close now, but lose the tail. Wipe them out yourself.
Ладно, пора мне.
Требуется наряд на место происшествия в Уэстбруке.
А у них там нет своих служб безопасности? Ладно, принято. Едем.
нарядам поблизости. У нас сообщение о новом нарушении. Внимание, порядок восстановлен. Всем нарядам вернуться к патрулированию. Всем патрулям в Уотсоне зафиксировано нарушение порядка.
Как обычно. Принято. Скоро будем.
Ну что за херня?